show you how you can allocate resources for projects in Excel. So in our theoretical company we have here, we have all the contractors or employees for a house building situation. You could do it for any other situation, but these are the ones that I'm slightly familiar with. So we have painters, drywallers, carpenters, and these are all the different skills that you would for building a house. Now, if you were going to build a house, you would, first of all, you would have the different locations where your company operates. And so let's pick out a location. And so let's go select staff for project. So I'm going to click that button. And so it's going to ask me what the job number is. So I'm going to put in 250066. And I'm going to say the location is Calgary. And the estimated completion is going to be November 30th. And so now I press the Plan Staff button here. And it instantly creates a new sheet. And here you have the job number, the location, the completion date, and this is where you would put in the foreman and the contact information for the foreman. Now, all of the people for Calgary are available, but so I would just like to pick out probably a couple by their skill level. So I would like a journeyman drywaller. So I'm going to select it by putting yes in here. Okay, now I would also like to have a drywaller that's an apprentice so that he gets experience. So I'm going to go down to here and I'm going to go yes. And then I would like to have a couple of painter. And so I'm going to select this one. And the last thing I am going to select is a taper. I need a taper to come in as well. So now that I have selected all these people, what I'm going to do is go back up to the buttons and I'm going to go Assign Staff. Now what this has done is it's eliminated everybody else here. It has put all of the ones that you have selected on your list. And then if you go off to your original one here, it has also put in the names that these people are busy and what job they're on and when you expect them to be done. Okay, so now you've got this all, you're ready to go. And so what you can do is you can save it. And what this is going to do is it's going to save a copy as a PDF, and so that you have it available for you to email it out to the rest. Now, sometimes this is a different type of thing. You would probably not have an entire house project. Let's say that we just wanted to do let's say the framing of one house. And so you can put in different things for it. So let's go select another project. And I'm going to go 2509 and I'm going to go frame, indicating that you're just doing the framing here. And I'm going to go Edmonton, and estimated completion date is December 1st. Okay, so I'm going to Plan Staff. Now here you see that in the Edmonton you have bunch of people that are already slated for work here. Now, you obviously don't want to pick those, but you can pick the ones that will suit your needs that aren't tied up. So we're going to select this person, and so we'll go put yes. And we will select the next one because he's an apprentice, and we'll go yes. And then we're going to choose a couple of electricians. I know that's not really framing, but we'll just put them in just for example. And the next one is yes as well. Okay, so I'm going to assign staff. And there you go. Just the ones that you have selected are now available for your use. And once again, you can save it, and it'll save as a PDF in the same folder as this one is located. Okay, so let me show you the code. The code is basically working off of the user form to start with. So I created this user form, and if I double click the button on the plan staff, it'll bring me to the code for this. And so from this user form, we're going to get the location, the job number, and the completion date. So what it's going to do is it's going to copy a form that I've created, and it's going to rename it with the job number. It's going to take for the location from the user form, and it's going to create a list of all the staff from that location and put it on the job sheet. And then what it's going to do is the last thing we're going to do is sort the trades so that all the carpenters are together and all the electricians are together. Okay, so then after that we have a couple other pieces to this code. And so if I have sub yes, and so that if you've put yes next to the strings of the employee, then what it will do, then what it's going to do is it's going to mark on your original sheet, it's going to mark it busy, it's going to put in the end date, and now what it's going to do is it's going to take all of the people that don't have that job number on it, and it's going to eliminate them. Okay, then what we have here is show form, and it's just a little program. So we have the button that works, so it's showing user form 1. And the last thing we have here is save PDF, and what it's doing is it's taking your active sheet and it's creating a PDF, and the sheet and the name of the file is going to be jobnumtxt.PDF. I will, of course, include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.